Let's talk about the Igbo vowels. Igbo language alphabets are divided into two main parts, which are consonants and vowels. Mgbochiume na ụdaume. Mgbochiume is called consonant and ụdaume is called vowels. Today we are going to be focusing on ụdaume Igbo, which is the Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels are 8 in numbers. What this means is that when you remove the 8 alphabets that are vowels from the 36 Igbo alphabet, the remaining ones will be consonants. But like I said, we are going to be teaching only the vowels today, which are ụdaume Igbo. Ụdaume Igbo bụ ndị a: e, i, e, o, ọ, u, ụ. Gekwa ntị ọzọ: a, e, i, e, o, ọ, u, ụ. Now, if you look at these 8 Igbo vowels, you will see that they are similar. A is like a sister to e. I is like a sister to e. O is like a sister to o. U is like a sister to o. So try and remember at least 4. If you are able to remember 4, then you will know that the remaining 4 are the ones that are very similar to the 4 that you have remembered. When you remember a, you will see that a is almost like e. I is I without dot under. Then you remember the sister, which is a that has dot under. O, everybody knows O. So when you remember the O, you know that the next one that is following it is the sister, which has dot under it. Then the last one is U, which is the English U, and the sister that has the O and that has the dot under. So with this being said, you don't have any reason not to know the 8 Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels bụ ụdaume Igbo. Ụdaume Igbo dị asatọ. 8 is asatọ in Igbo. Remember that I promised to teach the ọnụọgụgụ Igbo, which is the Igbo numbers. So, but before then, just understand that ụdaume Igbo dị asatọ. Igbo vowels is 8 in numbers. Now, let's look at the 2 division of the Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels are also divided into 2 major parts, which are ụdamfe, ụdamfe, and ụdaarọ. Ụdamfe, ụdaarọ. As the name is, you can say that they are light vowels and heavy vowels. Something that is heavy is called arọ in Igbo, and something that is light is called mfe in Igbo. So, ụdaarọ and ụdamfe are 2 divisions of ụdaume in Igbo. Ndị bụ ụdamfe n'Igbo bụ a, e, ọ, ụ. A, e, ọ, ụ. ị nwekwara ike ịkpọ ha otu a. Ihe ga-enyelu gị aka ịmata ya ọfụma bụ ichete a, malụ na ndị bụ otu a bụzi ndị bụ ntụpọ n'okpuru. That is the ones that has dot under are the light vowels, ụda mfe. They are also called otu a. Let's repeat them again. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U are what? Ụda mfe. Ndị bụ ụda arọ bụ ndị a: E, I, O, U. E, I, O, U. Gekwa ntị. E, I, O, U. They are called heavy vowels. Heavy vowels. And the thing that will help you to note them is that they doesn't have dots under. They are also called otu e. Otu e. Remember, the other one is otu a. This one is otu e. Now, when you remember e, just know that the remaining three has no dots under. Let's repeat them again. E, I, O, U. E, I, O, U. If you watch to this stage, it means that you are enjoying my teaching. Please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that once I drop any new video on Igbo teaching, you will be the first to get the notification. Let's revisit all we have taught today. Ụda ume Igbo dị asatọ. Ha bụ ndị a: a, e, I, O, U, O. Ọzọ: a, O, I, O, U. Ekere ụda ume Igbo ụzọ abụọ. Ha bụ ndị a: ụda mfe. Ha bụ a, O, U. Ọzọ: a, O, U. Ụda arọ bụ ndị a: e, I, O, U. E, I, O, U. Ụda ume is called vowels in English language, and they are asatọ, which is 8 in English. Ebe a ka anyị ga-awọsa ọwa na nkụzi nke ụbọchị tata, ka ọ dị ụbọchị Satọde. Ka emesịa, ezigbo nwaada onye nke gị, Igbo ticha nke m, na-asị gị daalụ maka ige nkụzi m. Daalụ maka isonyere m. Ka emesịa, ndewo.